It's a RECON part 264143BKS. It's the strobe. Actually comes with 5 strobe lights. Here are 2 as an example. I have my testing kit set up, 12 volt power. All you do is plug these in to the harness here. Move this to on. And you can change the function, which actually changes the strobing pattern. And inside your truck you can see the controller will also show you kind of what's going on outside. Pretty cool. And then the color. This is amber, white, amber and white. And there's amber again, solid. And you can change the pattern. I'm going to turn off the lights to see what's going on. Pretty cool. I'm going to change the color now. I love how the controller shows exactly what's going on outside the truck, so you don't have to guess. Very cool product by RECON. Again, this is 264143BKS. This is the smoked strobe. Has both amber and white LEDs. And the controller. 5 come in the kit. I'm just showing 2 as an example.